So there was no reason. Massive market sell-off. I saw gold at one point down almost 6%. MicroStrategy was down 10%. SPY was down over 1.5%. The first trade of the day was awful. I was trading a trade that I don't normally do. I FOMO'd for sure in that one. I don't know why. I got stopped out of that trade. I prepped properly and waited until I had confirmation for the bottom up reversal. Still a red day of negative 0.33. I've realized I'm a contrarian trader, so I'm actually trading against the trend, which is a lot more difficult than trading with the trend. Today would have been a way better day if I would have just followed the trend, but I'm trying to hone in on those different setups. So I'm going to end up having to pay for my education for those trades, absolutely. Yeah, overall, I'm gonna be happy with the negative 0.33 day because it has taught me actually a lot. So this was actually the first trade of the day, and I was actually looking for, when I entered this trade, I was looking for a TP here. So my stop loss was quite fair. Now I'm happy I got out of that trade because clearly there was a reversal here. So this was a bad trade. This is not a trade that I'm trying to get good at all, so I would consider that a FOMO. Still new at this, still trying, but I am learning things daily here. This was the second trade that pushed all the way down here. When it bounced on this support, we had a candle close. I just saw incredible volume coming in. Once I got to above there and it was pushing with volume, I was pretty confident, so I entered position there with a stop loss of a new low, and we were able to ride that position to this previous shoulder, and I wussed out because my original TP was going to be this level here. This is something I have to work on. Because my last two trades were losers, I wussed out of a good trade because I let the last two trades dictate the fear in me, right? When really this is a completely separate trade, completely different outcome to this trade. So there was no reason why I should have exited early because I had conviction and the whole market was recovering, but yet I wussed out. So because of my lack of discipline in, first of all, FOMOing, and because of my lack of discipline in sticking to a good trade and not letting it go where the plan originated, I have a negative 0.33% day. It would not be so if I would have let this trade go to my TP. So yeah, lots to learn for today, but I'm gonna take that punch in the face and learn from it, hopefully. Okay, so you guys have a good one.